Hi guys, my name is Caroline from Garden Goods Direct, and today I'm going to be building a gorgeous winter planter for you guys. Pretty much everything you can see here, minus the pot and a couple decorative forage items, can be bought online at gardengoodsdirect.com. So yeah, let's get started. So our main filler of the porch pot is actually going to be our Wilma Goldcrest lemon cypress tree. So these are a gorgeous, vibrant green color, and they actually smell like lemons. They smell amazing. Yeah, they smell great. So not only will they spruce up your porch, but they'll also leave it with a delightful fragrance, which is pretty nice. So before we add in our main filler, we're going to add in a little bit of soil, and I do have some filler in here. You can just use mulch or anything like that to fill up your pot, so you don't have to use too much soil. Now that we've got our soil base, we're gonna add in our filler. Put that in there, nice and secure. Then we're gonna add in some nice white cyclamen to kind of spill over the edge here. So these cyclamen are beautiful. They're seasonal, so we only have them at Christmas time. And they're blooming, they're so beautiful. And they look beautiful on their own, and they look really great in mixed planters as well. Beautiful. Next, we're going to add in some beautiful Christmas cactus. So these are our red blooming Christmas cactus, and as you can see, they're full of blooms, and they're going to make a beautiful spiller over the edge of our planter. Then we're gonna backfill around with some extra soil. Then, one of my favorite parts, we're going to add in some birch poles for some nice texture. So you can order these online. We have some taller versions and some shorter versions, but they just have this beautiful peeling bark that adds so much personality and beauty to your planters. Just get that secure in there. Okay, so next we're gonna add in some red twig dogwood stems. So these are a gorgeous vibrant red, and they actually do come from red twig dogwood shrubs, which are a gorgeous winter interest plant if you're looking to brighten up your yard. But we pruned some off for Christmas time. You can buy these online as well, just on their own, or you could buy the shrub and have a never-ending supply year after year for your planters. Beautiful. Then we have some nice blue spruce branches. So these add just some cooling tone. They can be considered a chiller for your planter. So yeah, we'll just add a little bit of those in. Then we've got a nice foraged holly branch with some gorgeous red berries on it. A nice dried Bracken's brown magnolia branch. These sweet little branches can just be bought at, your local craft store to kind of just spruce it up a little bit. Glitter everywhere. I really feel like you can't overdo it with a winter planter, just because if any time you're gonna go all out, I feel like what better time than the holidays. So, if you're a glitter person like I am, you should go all out. And there you have it, a gorgeous winter planter. You could use indoors or outdoors for the holiday season and just to wow your guests. Yeah. There she is. I brought it outside just so you can get a better idea of what it looks like in the light and the outdoor lighting. But here it is, the final product. I'm pretty happy with it. Shop everything you need for this planter, just about everything you need, online at gardengoodsdirect.com. We also have wreaths, garland, just Christmas cactus, anything you can really think of that you need to decorate your home for the holidays. We're your one-stop holiday shop. So yeah, shop online today.